I'm Galen Brook.
Hi, I'm Przemyslaw back.
Hi, I'm Ahmed.
Hi, I'm Lee.
This block diagram of the system shows the 5 main elements. The transmitter circuit produces a TTL pulse which resets and starts the counter and tells the transducer to emit an ultrasonic pulse. When this is returned, the receiver circuit converts it back into TTL and stops the counter. The count number is then passed to the display. The transmitter is based on a unijunction transistor oscillator which uses the rapid charging and discharging of a capacitor through a resistor to produce a fast rising voltage pulse. This is then passed to an op-amp comparator which compares the signal to a reference voltage and produces a TTL square wave output. This output is the reset signal. The same signal is also passed to a quad NAND array to provide a short delay for the firing pulse. This is the piecewise circuit diagram of the transmitter. R3 and C1 set the oscillation frequency. These values are selected to give a frequency of around 1 kHz. On the bottom here is the actual output of the transmitter circuit. This is passed through a MOSFET circuit which inverts and amplifies the signal to produce the top waveform. This is then passed to the transducer. Here's the receiver circuit. This takes the waveform passed by the transducer and passes it through 3 stages of conditioning. Here's the circuit on PSpice with the 3 stages and the associated simulation waveforms and the actual output from the breadboard circuit finally. This is the timing and measurement circuit. It takes input from the reset and firing pulses of the transducer which clear and then start the counter. When the receiver pulse arrives, it tells the counter to stop. A small latch pulse is then generated which opens the connection to the 7 segment and displays the number stored in the counter. Finally, we have the transducer. This probe contains 2 identical piezoelectric crystals which send and receive the ultrasonic pulse when the signal from the transmitter is received. We did not manage to connect up the whole circuit with the timer and display, but we did connect the transmitter and probe to get an example of the shape of pulse which this transducer emits, shown here. Finally, here's an example of the whole system in action, showing all elements working together.